How to add your Shopify theme. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to add or customize your Shopify theme for your online store. So first thing, you just need to go to your Shopify account and click on customize themes, or you can just go to sales channels and there under online store, you can click on the sales that's on the left side part of the screen. And here you can see the current or the default theme that was on the account where it really has dull colors and it does not align to the product that we are currently selling. So what you need to do here is that going back to the Shopify page, what you can do here is that on the free themes, when you scroll down below, there you have a lot of options where these themes provided are actually free for you to use. Or you can actually go to visit theme store as well, where it provides you a lot of options for themes that you can choose from. Okay, just wait for it to load up. And here you can see that the existing themes on the Shopify store for theme store is actually, it may cost you dollars like $290, but here you can actually just filter it on the left side panel of the screen where you can just choose free. And then here there's a lot of options for you to choose from. So what I'll do here is I will be choosing ride here, the first option. So what I can do here is I'll click on this, and then when I click on it, I just need to click on try theme. When I click on try theme, it will route me to a page back to customizing themes on the Shopify account. And there you can see that adding a ride is currently in process. Okay, and then you can just go ahead, once it has been added, you can just go ahead and customize the theme. As you can see, the colors that is currently on the account does not align or does not coincide with the product that we have. But no need to worry, you can just go on to the leftmost part of the panel where you can see there's a paintbrush icon. You can click on it and there you will be able to change the color of the website or the theme. So for example, for the background, I switch it to a teal color, and instead of the yellow color for the footer and for the header, I just switch it to an orange color. So it will have more like a beach sunset vibe since the product is mostly used for beaches, tropical theme here. So I'll just editing it up to make sure that the color and the fonts would match the theme that I have. Okay, you can try to click on the product and there you can see that there is also the different tabs or different menus that you can change here where you can actually edit it as well as we move forward. Once you are satisfied and once you are done with the customizing your theme, you can just go ahead and go back to Shopify account, and there you can see that the when you click on save, it still has done as the default theme. So what you do is publish for you to replace the current theme of the online store. And there you have it. You already have customized your online store for the account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.